Cloning, genetic engineering, and transhumanism, what does the future hold? The field of genetics engineering has been making advancements far beyond what was imaginable just a few decades ago. From the infamous cloning of Dolly the sheep in 1996 to the more recent development of CRISPR-Cas9 technology, scientists now have the capability to potentially manipulate and alter human genetics. This has given rise to the field of transhumanism, which seeks to use technology to enhance the human condition. While these innovations may have many benefits, such as curing diseases and improving human performance, they also raise ethical, social, and even philosophical questions. We will explore the future of cloning, genetics engineering, and transhumanism. Cloning, essentially the process of creating a genetic replica of an organism, has been a point of discussion and debate since the late 20th century. In 1996, Dolly the sheep was famously cloned, and since then, scientists have been working to clone other organisms, including primates and even pigs. While the potential for cloning to cure diseases by creating better genetic matches for organ transplants is a tantalizing possibility, there is also much concern surrounding the ethical implications of cloning. Human cloning raises questions about manipulation of unique genetic heritage, elitism, and inequality among humans. Genetics engineering, the process of modifying an organism's DNA, shows the most exciting potential. By editing the DNA sequence, scientists can create organisms that have beneficial traits for human use. For example, they could create plants that mature faster or crops that withstand harsher environmental conditions. However, genetic engineering is an extremely controversial area of study, particularly when it comes to manipulating this technology on humans. The ongoing debate is centered on questions of morals, ethics, and safety. Critics worry that this technology could be used to create genetically perfect babies to richer parents or leads to social inequality in addition to weakening the genetic diversity of the human race. Transhumanism, in addition to cloning and genetic engineering, the concept of transhumanism involves using technology to enhance human performance. This ranges from simple interventions like limb prosthetics to much more complex, perhaps even enhancing human physical, mental, and cognitive attributes beyond their species' typical boundary. It has attracted proponents and skeptics alike, among whom there is a big divide over the morality of tampering with natural human characteristics. Transhumanism has sparked fears that upgrading ourselves would create an enhanced class of humans and a depowered class of the natural humans. Undoubtedly, advancements in genetics engineering, cloning, and transhumanism offer limitless possibilities for the human race. These technologies could allow us to cure disease, increase our intelligence, and improve our physical abilities, among other things. However, it's important to acknowledge that there is no future without uncertainties, especially when it comes to tinkering with the fundamental structure of living organisms, including human beings. It's essential to handle these advancements with care and weigh in their potential advantages against their possible drawbacks. The extent to which such technologies will be controlled for the good of humanity or will become available indiscriminately depends on how vigilant and wise our leaders, scientists, and thinkers lead us towards the future.